no like better thing. Okay, so now 2K, waiting be the next moves now. I want to do some way who no like better thing don't come out. Waiting be the things that we would they see from 2K anytime soon.
The next move is another video with me and Timaya.
Okay.
Of a song titled MoneyGram.
Okay.
And maybe before that, another song again from me.
Okay.
Everything, we just don't keep everything ready. You know?
Okay.
So get the videos lined up as well, and then maybe an EP to drop. Or if I don't drop EP, I will drop album.
Okay.
Hopefully. But I think I'll drop an EP rather than an album and drop album next year.
So that means well any which way shall they look forward to things. So far you don't be consistent.
Yes.
With the one with Pato Rankin, with the one with Cynthia Morgan and Shay Shay, and of course this particular track now. So we know say yes you did on point. So we wish you all of the best of the best of the best. But you get one question where person will even ask you say what's the craziest thing you don't do to promote your music? They say recently person fake debt to promoting music. You understand? Recently they say Skills and Whiskey fight one fight to promote Skills music. But you just come person come people ask you. You understand? Say what be the craziest thing where you don't do to promote music?
The craziest thing is what I don't do. I never really do it. Only thing I don't do. I do the right thing. I don't do anything crazy to promote my business. I just do the right thing.
Okay.
Go to the right places, just the right platform to put the music and I put it out there and do what I don't say I always they retweet BC too for the BC. That
so you just follow the normal hustle for the.
So basically, I feel BC like 100 times a day for that same time. I don't really care whether you know like them or you like them.
Okay, so the next question now, music or passion? So now the love for the music, which is the passion rather, or the money?
I go be honest with you at first, now passion. So, but the passion will bring money. You get to monetize them, but the beginning of it is passion. Then they have to monetize it because of you. They put money into them, so you're investing into it. So you're expected to reap off it as well.
Person will know better thing. Hey, I give you $10 million now. You go leave music.
$10 million.
Yeah.
I go take them from you.
Yes.
I feel quit for a while and come back.
I know if the agreement I say me no do music again.
For $10 million.
Yeah.
$10 million.
$10 million. Not be naira. Dolls.
That's like some billion naira. I can quit. Yeah.
2K.
I can quit and invest in someone else.
My brother. Don't be lying.
I can quit and invest in
somebody else. Don't be lying. Don't be lying.
But still music.
2K, thank you very much for joining us on top of the show. Really appreciate your presence.
That's like some.
You know $10 million. Don't be joke now. Don't be joke.
Billion. That's not $4
no
billion. Now $1 billion.
Money. Thank you very much, my brother. Say you come full of joy on top of the show.
Like $2 billion now.
It's like a all right, so guys, quickly. When they come back now, we'll continue on top of the show. Guys, show yourself, and guys, we can't do anything quickly before we end the whole show. So don't go anywhere. I'll see they come back. Mr. 2K, thank you very, very much again.
Appreciate it.
Bless you, bro. Thank you, bro. All right, easy. Carry on, come on.
May your mama be minister. How I know we love you. May your uncle be senator. For story to change.
All right, okay. So now welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, and I get one correct guy in the building. You go show yourself things, on top of this particular show. What's your name, bros?
My name now Wayne.
Microphone.
I'm Wayne.
Wayne
Mays.
Wayne Mays. I like your swag, man. Your teams, your jacket, everything. Wayne Mays. Which kind of song you want to drop for us now?
Yeah, this is my first recorded single.
Use the microphone.
Yeah, it's my first recorded single titled Life.
Life.
Yeah.
That be the title of the track.
Yes.
All right. So as it be like this, so you know what's going to happen now. You go perform your song right now for us, okay? And then make everybody feel the whole thing. All right. So make we sharply go. So when Mez go doing thing, no. Of course, with your own performance, we go end the whole show. All right. But before he go finish, I go see enter comfort and groove. Then go carry everything. Right? So bro, easy.
Hey, we mad. Life could be worse. I thank you Lord for the blessings. Oh, life could be worse. I bless you Lord for the giving. Oh yes, life could be worse. Oh, but no one see me crying. They just won't put me down. But you give me the crown. Yeah. shit, brother man, shine no say. Not yeah, me the chop from. Say my life truly depend in the streets. And you know, say not yeah, me be they come from. I never them me running the race. Me try to catch up with my daily bread. Brother man got to walk and pray and let the Lord do all the blessings. Life could be worse. I thank you, Lord, for the blessings. Oh, life could be worse. I bless you, Lord, for the giving. Oh, yeah. Life could be worse. Oh, bad man will see me crying. They just will put me down. But you gave me the crown. Yeah, only me gave me Jen Bedori. Ajo Lokun, Ajo Losa. As soon as they say, I want me. Brother man got to walk and pray and let the Lord do all the blessings. Life could be worse. I thank you, Lord, for the blessings. Oh, life could be worse. I bless you, Lord, for the giving. Oh, yeah. Life could be worse. Oh, bad man will see me crying. They just will put me down. But you give me the crown. Yeah. Right now I'm in ball around, no more underrated. Rating. When me take the time, I see me just today. I've been waiting. My way no be your way, you know we know they do the same. Say who God bless it, no bad man because maybe the year I'm there. Oh, life could be worse. I thank you, Lord, for the blessings.
Okay, life could be worse.
Yeah.
So, what's the title of the track again?
Life.
Yeah. Life. But I like the message. Life could be worse, but they thank God because for bad past like this, that be the message. So life, not be small thing. No, thank God for where you did right now because if for bad past as it be right now. So correct one. So how does it jam you on top social media? If people want to follow you, get your songs and all that.
My Instagram is at WYIM. WYINMEZ.
Okay, WYINMEZ.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the same thing goes for Twitter.
Okay.
And when it comes to my Facebook,
yes.
WYINMEZ.
Okay.
That's Win Maze.
Okay, Win Maze.
Yeah.
Win Maze. All right, so I'm gonna follow Win Maze. Nice song. Life could be worse, but at the same time, at the end of the day, we thank God for any situation we'll find ourselves because for bad past as it be. All right, so from us here on top of the late night show, we'll say good night to everybody. Special thank you to Mr. 2K, which is on top of the show today, and of course, Easy Beat. But most importantly, all of Una Day for House. Thank you very much, say Una Day on top of the show today. Till tomorrow, before go see Una. God bless you and sleep well. All right, easy.
Yeah.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.